Hello, my name is Ben Petrus. I've been with the company for a little over 1 year. I'm the Director of Operations, responsible for the manufacturing, assembly, shipping, and customer service. When a new product is launched, our CNC department is usually the first one to take over the manufacturing process. All components are thoroughly inspected and then delivered to the assembly department. All the parts are assembled by qualified technicians. There's the electrical side of it and a mechanical side of it. Fit checks on the needle and the grip are done. We also check the motors, Bluetooth connectivity, along with cosmetics as well. Each machine is ran for a period of 1 hour to ensure that there's no malfunctions and everything is functioning as designed. Once all the quality inspections are done on the assembled machine, it's delivered to our shipping department. At that point, the technicians package the machine. They go over once again for any cosmetic details to make sure there's no flaws, no scratches. The next step would be we document the serial numbers of the battery and the body, and depending on the machine, the serial numbers are documented within the packaging. The team enjoys talking with the artist and Lulu to get feedback to make further improvements and make the user experience even better. We're really looking forward to moving to a new facility and expanding, gives us growth opportunity, along as to further drive innovation and continuous improvement. And again, it's all about making our products better.